Hello everyone, welcome to geekermag. If you use Canvas for your projects, there would be a situation where you want to remove background of the images, especially when you're creating thumbnails, right? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove background of the images in Canvas with quick and easy steps. Before that, if you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel. Alright, on your browser, you need to visit canvas.com, and if you don't have an account, create one because it's free. Once you are logged in, this is how it looks. The first method I'm going to cover is for the Canvas Premium member. If you don't have the premium, then keep watching the video for the free method. Here select YouTube thumbnail that automatically set 16:9 aspect ratio for the image. Next click on the uploads option on the left. Select upload files and then select image on your PC and open it. This will open the image in the image gallery. Now click the image to add it to Canvas. If you want, you can adjust the image according to the canvas. On the toolbar, click remove background option. If this option is missing, then click on the edit image and then click remove background. And it will scan and remove the image background in no seconds. And get you the image with transparent background. If you don't have premium account, then try this method. On the left side, locate apps and click to open it. In the search, type background eraser. You will find various apps for this purpose, but I will go with the first one in the list. Now upload the image. And click remove background. Once background is removed, the transparent image will be added to Canvas. And now you can do further customization according to your requirements. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps, and if you find this video useful in any way, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel to get notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.